I got water like overseas. Bitch, I about like NBA. Bitch, I about like MVP. I got money, they envy me. I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob. What was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. I put a 4 in a 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking. If you with the squad, I give you my heart, a nigga, I mean.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the lifestyle. I haven't made my lil Yatchy video of our hairstyle.
Bitch, you know it's lil ball. Bitches lil ball in a Perry. I keep them hoes like a fairy. My hair be red like a cherry.
Obviously, you can see that I'm doing this hairstyle by like my hair, and I've had it in for about 3 or 4 days now, and I didn't make the tutorial on how to do it. So when I'm playing Fortnite and there's a car flying in the air, what in the world? I hit those. Oh, are we gonna get him? Where is he? He broke my plane, you moron. Bro, you're an idiot. What an idiot. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. As I take out my hair, I'm gonna explain how I put it in. So basically, I'm gonna explain all the parts and stuff, and you know, I got the red dye like I normally use, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know if this hairstyle is gonna be long. I'll show you guys how to put the beads in, show you how I did the braid, and then, you know, it's pretty simple after that. Once you get one, you get the rest. Y'all thought I was gonna say something like target run and done? No, none of that. I'm about to play solos because teams are not reliable anymore. But yeah, so when I come back, we'll get straight to it. Okay, so we are here now, and I'm just gonna take a couple of these out and show you how to braid. I'm gonna take one out. Which one do I want to do? I'll do this one. So I'll take this one out and show you how to braid it, and then I'll show you how to put the beads on. Okay, now that we have one out, that looks pretty cool. That looks really cool. Should've went to school like that. But now that we have one out, I guess I'm gonna show you how to put it in. That sucks, I just took it out. So, when your hair is parted, I guess I'll show you the parts really quickly. I basically did one down the middle, and then divided. I have a high top, so I divided the high top into 5 rows and just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then did 4 on each row. So 1/2, 5 rows, 4 on each row. Remember that. 1/2, 5 rows, 4 on each row. Then once you part and clip it, you would take the braid, the hair, you section it, and do 3 different, take it into 3. See if I can make this taller, I guess. Okay. Now I really have to look up. You take this, divide it into 3, and then you want to grab near the bottoms, pull it like this, here, 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 there, and you keep doing like that. You're basically just passing it under, over one, under, over one, under, over one, under, over one, and you keep doing that until you go all the way down. Now I'm going to reverse it and show it again. The 3 parts grab this one, take this one, you're gonna start it over. Whoa, did that fast, okay? So you have the 3. Grab this one, and you grab the front one. Then you keep doing your over, under. If you already know how to braid, great. All you need to know is how to part it and then what color to dye it, which is red. Everybody knows that. So you just keep doing this process all the way till you get to the bottom. Now that you have your braid, you want to take, there is a tool you can use to put the beads on, but I don't have it because I didn't know about it till I was like, wait, I don't know how to put these things on. So what I do is take the end, I'm trying to look at my own hair, take the end and bring it up here because the end is going to be too loose. So you hold this down and hold this down, kind of twist it around a little bit so that it can stay. Then you have this little loop thing. You want to condense that as much as you can so you can stick it through the bead. If you can't get it in, twist it like this and hold it tight. I didn't hold it. And then my hands are slippery. Take the bead, shove this through it, and pull it through. Now, once you pull it through, don't let go, because when you're doing lil Yachty style, you have to get about 4 or 3 or 5, depending on how long your hair is. That many beads need to be on there. And then you keep holding it so you can put the next one on. Or you restart the whole thing, which is what I'm about to do. Okay, I got my 4 beads on there. So here's what you're gonna do. Push the other ones up, except for one, as far as you can get it. And then you pull this one down. And what you wanna do is take this loose long hair at the end, twist it over, you pull it over it. So you take it from here and pull it over. And then you take one of those little black rubber bands and you put it as close to the bead and hair at the same time, then twist there. And you want to go up with it a little bit, and I'll tell you why in a second. Okay, so now that you have that on, you just take these beads, pull them back down. The reason I say you have to go up with a rubber band is because that loose hair you don't want to be like sticking out of the beads, and you want it to cover the rubber band as much as possible. And then you have it. You have the beads on like Yachty. So, that's pretty much it, guys. Like, I mean, other than the parting, you know, it's 1/2, 5 rows, 4 parts in each row, and then you just braid them, beat them, and then, you know, if you're doing a permanent dye your hair beforehand. If you're doing a like temporary dye it before you put the beads on. So I dyed my hair before I put the beads on. And so, yeah, this is obviously a little rusty because I did this a couple of days. So I'll probably put in like an image of me when I first put it in. This is like really rusty because I did this days ago. But when I did it days ago, my whole head was red. So that was that. Well, that's all for my short little tutorial. If you liked it, leave a like down below. If you didn't like it, leave a like down below. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.
For all my enemies. Yeah, nigga, I came from the dirt, sipping up dirt. Why the fans